LG brings you the power of steam to help you beat the toughest stains and significantly reduce the allergens while still being gentle on your clothes. This video will show you how to add steam to your wash cycle to help provide superior cleaning performance. As shown here, wash cycles that are adjacent to the red strip can be used with steam. Choose any of these cycles by using the selector knob, and then press the steam button located on the display to add steam to the cycle. Some options may not be available if steam is selected. Press start to begin the cycle. The washer will automatically adjust the cycle, which may also extend the time of the wash cycle. Steam is a powerful feature that can help those with allergies and fighting stubborn soils. There are two cycles that automatically use this steam feature: the allergen and tub clean cycles. The steam option is a default setting for both these cycles and cannot be unselected. Allergen can help reduce allergens in bedding, towels, and clothing, which provides a healthier solution when washing your clothes. The tub clean cycle uses steam to help clean the unit and help reduce mildew, mold, unwanted buildup, and odor. When using this option, the washing machine must be completely empty to avoid the risk of harming your garment or your LG washer. Your LG dryer is also equipped with the innovative steam features that help eliminate odors and sanitize your clothing without a lengthy wash cycle. Steam Fresh allows you to quickly freshen up lightly worn clothing without the need of a full wash, for those times you are in a hurry. When selecting Steam Fresh, the display will allow you to select a number of garments in the load. The default setting is 3 garments. You can then adjust it to 5 garments or a big or bulky item, which is shown here as big. For best performance, select a number of garments that best matches your load size. The big setting helps the dryer properly care for larger loads such as comforters and bed sheets. The steam feeder for the dryer is located in the top left drawer of your dryer control panel. The steam feeder must be filled with tap water, but for optimum performance, LG recommends filtered water. Do not use distilled water, because it will prevent the dryer from properly sensing the water level, including reverse osmosis. If the add water light turns on during the cycle, simply fill the steam feeder and restart the cycle. With this information, the power of steam is in your hands. Thank you for watching our customer support video, and we hope you enjoy your LG experience.